tracking.
Wait, half an hour, then we leave?
And then you go over to teeth.
Oh.
Yeah.
So, we already have some.
That's it. So do you see any animals around you right now?
No. Not really.
We've seen a couple birds, right?
Yeah, I saw birds.
Okay, but you don't see any mammals, right?
No.
Why is that?
Yeah, us.
Other than yourself.
Cows.
Yeah, we might see cows. But why wouldn't we see mammals during the day?
Because they hunt.
Yeah, they come out in the night. And what's that called?
I know this word.
You've heard
I'm the
it?
vocabulary person.
Starts with an N.
They're nocturnal.
They're nocturnal, that's right. Mammals can also be crepuscular, which means that they come out in the dawn or
the dawn.
dusk. So we can't see them, but we know they're here. And how do we know that? What kind of signs do they leave? They leave scat, they leave tracks. What else? That's the tracks, yeah. What else? What about little burrows or something like that?
Nest.
Yeah, nests too. And sometimes we can hear them. Like, did anybody guess that?
Yeah, but I never knew what it means.
Right, Alexa kind of bird. Okay,
Is there a
so
skunk in there?
there is a skunk in here. There's a lot of animals in here.
Can I have one?
Well, yeah, I'll let
I
you
want the
touch
skunk.
it.
I want the bunny. I
Well,
want the bunny. I
I'm
want
gonna
the
pick them
bunny.
out, and then you can pet them. Okay. So just feel it with the back of your hand.
What is that?
Really gently, but do it the way that the fur grows. Because
Yeah,
they're a little bit
table it.
fragile. You can see some of them are falling apart. So this is a skunk, and what I want you to look at here is the feet, because that's what leaves the tracks, right? So imagine if you press this into the mud or sand. What are you going to see?
Toss.
Yeah, how many toes is the track going to have?
5.
Yeah, 5 toes. What about claw marks? Maybe you'll see claw marks, right? But they're so long, so the claws will be way out in front. You'll see the little tips of the claws.
What's that?
That's the skin where the fur fell away. And then these are what the back feet look like. And so let's see. What is this?
Squirrel.
Right. It's a ground squirrel. You feel that too.
I was like, what?
It has shorter
It
hair.
doesn't have a long tail.
Yeah, I know. It's a ground squirrel, so it doesn't have a puffy tail. But this one has a little bit different feet, so it will have slightly different tracks.
Yeah, they're like ours.
Yeah,
Except
they're
for they
more
have 4.
finger, right? And how many toes does this one have?
4.
Yeah, 4 on the front, and how many on the back?
5.
Yeah, 5 on the back. So if we saw this track, how big would it be? Let's measure with a ruler in centimeters and see how big the ground squirrel track would be. That one only has inches.
Wait, where?
Does that have centimeters? And measure from the tip of the claws to the last heel pad. Start with 1 on those centimeters.
2 centimeters.
2 centimeters about? Anybody get something different?
2 or 3.
Yeah, 2.5. Okay, now take one of your tracking books. Everybody's going to need a book like this.
What one? No.
And there's a table of contents in the beginning. Look at the page for ground squirrel. I don't know what page it's on.
27.
And see if that matches up. They give you a measurement for the front foot, the forefoot, and the hind foot. What did we just measure?
The back.
Really?
Oh, wait, front. Sorry.
The forefoot.
3.3.
Length is 3.3. Is that for the fore?
Yeah.
Yeah. What does it say? 2.5 to 3.3? Yeah. They give a range because not every
Length
squirrel
1
is the
to
same.
1.3. Yeah.
Is that inches or centimeters?
Centimeter inches.
Okay, so we're going to use centimeters.
2.5 and to 3.3.
So does that match?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is maybe the smaller end of the squirrel spectrum. What else do we want to look at here? Oh, I know. I want to look at this one because
It's
and what is this, first of all?
Bunny. Jackrabbit.
It's not a jackrabbit. It's the other kind of bunny that we have around here.
Oh my gosh, it's freaky.
What does what does its tail look like?
A little cotton.
Yeah, a little ball of cotton.
Cotton bunny.
Cotton tail.
Cotton tail bunny.
So feel it. It's really soft.
Oh. Can we see the bone?
Yeah, that is the bone inside. It's had a rough time.
Where's the marrow?
This is actually a stick.
Oh yeah, I was like, wait, what? That doesn't look like bone.
So, what do you notice about the bottom of its feet?
Well, it doesn't have It doesn't have one.
Well, this one is missing. Yeah, it's covered in hair. jackrabbits and cottontails have really hairy feet, so you're not going to see the pads like you would the other ones. You're just going to see kind of like a little blob of hair. Okay, so as we go around, we're also going to record things in your pink books. So turn to page 7 and take a look at that. Oh, and also, let me just show you the bird real quick, because it has different... It's really pretty.
Are those the
first of all.
smileys?
Yeah, they are.
Yeah.
Oh, so this is what? What is this?
That's are those little the flamingos? No.
No?
No, wait, no. No.
It's a California quail.
Yeah, I had that stuck in my head. I was like,
Right. And it's only got 4 toes. It's got 3 coming out in front and then 1 pointed
it's like that.
backwards. So that's what a bird track would be. Okay, so as we go around, we're going to find sign of different animals. And the kind of animal is going to be the species. We're either going to be at a scent station or not, so it'll either be yes or no. And then this is how we know that it was there. So if we see tracks, we'll put tracks or scat or whatever.